Hello, for my educational toolbox, I decided to find tools to fit 5 categories in education: classroom management, collaboration, class discussion, presentations, and formative assessments. The classroom management tools I chose to include are Apple Classroom, Google Classroom, ClassDojo, and Remind. Apple Classroom allows teachers to share documents and work with students, also monitor students' work on their iPads, and load apps onto student devices and lock students into those apps. This document, provided by Apple, allows teachers a simple instructional manual on how to get started with Apple Classroom. ClassDojo is an app that allows teachers to set behavior goals for students and allows students, teachers, and parents to monitor behavior. The following link sends you to the ClassDojo help desk. It provides help for teachers, for students, and for school leaders, and for parents. Remind allows for one-way communication or two-way communication between teachers and their students or the parents of their students. This allows teachers to send quick reminders or announcements for students. The following is a short tutorial video that basically shows what Remind is. The last thing I chose to include was Google Classroom. Google Classroom allows teachers to set up individual classes, post announcements and assignments, allows students to submit work, and allows teachers to post grades and scores. The following link for the Google Classroom is another short video that shows all the functions of Google Classroom. The next section I'm going to show you tools for is for class discussion. Poll Everywhere is one app that will allow you to poll audience on any topic. This also turns the audience's replies into a word cloud very easily. This is a great way to initiate discussion. This video shows you one topic where generated answers are turned into a word cloud. As you can see, if the words are being typed in, the bigger words become bolder, and all the words are added. So in this example, Holocaust is the most typed in word. Today's Meet is another good app to use. This can expand the classroom outside the school's walls. So you can use Today's Meet for your class, maybe students that didn't make it to class, for other classrooms inside the building, or either other classrooms in other school districts. The last tool for class discussion is Instagram. Now, Instagram most students are familiar with, and what I did is I adapted one of my lessons to include Instagram to initiate discussion between students. This is a lesson for the Museum of Science and Industry, and instead of just having students learn about the interaction between objects and the relationship between force, mass, and acceleration, what I did is have students take pictures of different scenarios with their iPads at the museum and then comment on their own photos. As they're commenting on the photos, what they want to do is they want to explain their observation in terms of acceleration, force, and mass. Classmates are also required to reply on other Instagram posts, and the replies must ask a question, make an inference, or relate the image to another real-world scenario. The next area where I'm going to show you classroom tools for is for presentations. Google Slides is a great way for teachers and students to make presentations. One of the good things about Google Slides is that you can create interactive presentations. You can invite students to participate from home. You can have students live stream videos from you in different rooms or from home. You can allow for students to pose questions during the presentation, and you can insert questions and polls during the lesson. Nearpod is also another great way for teachers to make presentations. Nearpod creates interactive presentations or uses existing presentations. There's collaboration slides. You can insert brief quizzes. You can allow students to draw images on slides. And you can insert audio, live Twitter feeds, videos, and virtual tours. Lastly, iMovies and Adobe Sparks are a great way to create video presentations. They can also help you edit pictures and audio and video files. The last area where I'll show you some classroom tools is formative assessments. ClassKick is a great app that you can invite your Google Classroom to join a ClassKick activity, and as they join it, it locks them into the app and allows students to interact with presentations by answering questions. ClassKick also links with Kahoot, TED, Edpuzzle, and many other apps and softwares. Kahoot is a game where students compete against each other to answer multiple choice pick questions. This is a competitive game, and this motivates students. Socrative is another online gaming app that allows for the creation of an online quiz that students can access from anywhere with an internet connection. Quizlet is another formative assessment app which allows you to create free online quizzes and allows students to make flashcards. Hopefully these tools will help you as a teacher in the areas of classroom management, collaboration, class discussion, presentations, and formative assessments.